Ferrofluid experiment. So what is this experiment? Basically, it is this liquid that carries tiny magnetic particles that are suspended in some kind of a liquid. What does it do? Well, whenever a strong enough magnetic field is introduced, the particles become magnetized and the fluid reacts in unique ways. A couple of ways this liquid is used in the real world. It can be used in speakers to dampen vibrations and remove heat. It's constantly used in MRIs. It can be used for drug delivery in the body, and it can be used to create airtight seals. And that's just a few of the things that this liquid's capable of doing. There's several real-world applications for this that you may not even realize. So how can we make it ourselves? Well, you're going to need probably about 50 milliliters of printer ink toner. That's going to be the substance that contains our metallic particles, in this case iron oxide. We're going to need about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. It's going to be used, that's the liquid that's actually going to suspend these metallic particles. And then we're going to need a rare earth magnet. And the reason we need a rare earth magnet is just because we need a pretty strong magnet. So why is this happening? Well, the ink toner is going to contain the tiny iron oxide particles that become suspended by the vegetable oil whenever they're mixed together. So that way the iron oxide particles are not sinking down and settling at the bottom of the solution. And then whenever we apply our strong magnetic force, these particles are going to raise up and form what look like spikes. So here's kind of an example of the magnet not taking effect yet, and then once it kind of takes effect there, we can see it forms spikes.